Hey guys, I'm here. I've been dying to unbox this. So the story goes, I got a notification that this engine popped up. I've been after this engine for a long time, and I just had to snatch it. It's a limited edition engine, and I got it for a really good deal. It does seem like a lot of money for what I paid for it, but I think I got it for a good deal. And he said it's brand new too, hopefully. So that would be a very, very big bonus. If I can get the knife in here. Yeah, using a pocket knife rather than my original blade. There we go. Oh yes, it's in here. Oh, it's caught in there. There we go. Holy crap, there it is. Okay. So this is what I got. Dominion of Canada. Now this thing is really cool. So like I said, I was after this thing for a long time, and wow, I can't believe I have one. So let's see. Yep, there's the engine in here. I can see the bell is still attached. That's good. I do believe this is the only British locomotive that has a bell. The Great Goodbye Eleanor Class A4 Dominion of Canada. The box is in very good condition too, apart from this piece right here. Let's get it out. Oh, certificate was folded up. Kind of not a fan of it folded up. Oh wow, 130 of 510. It's a pretty good run. I'll have to read that in a second. And I'll have to flatten out that certificate somehow. Anyways, so let's get this out. Ooh. Oh wow. So it comes with this. This is if you collect all 6 of the 6 surviving A4s, you can get a free cabinet to put these in, but this thing is long expired, so unfortunately I can't do that. Alright, I'm gonna get this set up on my bed, and I'll show you guys everything. Okay, so the engine is in here, and it's got these flaps in, which is good. So, I don't think they're in all the way, actually. Oh well. And it looks like the plug is extended out. Oh my god, that is nerve-wracking right there. So here's a little detail bag. It comes with the spare wheel for the rear pony truck, or rear truck. Cylinder drain caulks, all that stuff. I'm not gonna bother fitting those. Let's look at the engine. Wow. Get that wire. How is it? Okay, it should be alright. I don't know if it looks terrible, but yeah. I don't know if that's me or that's wheel wear on there. But anyways, there's the engine itself. Wow, this thing is just awesome. Sprung buffers. Does the bell swivel? I kind of doubt it. No, the bell doesn't swivel. Okay. So I was right. The bell doesn't swivel, but oh well. There's the cab. Really nice engine. Yeah. Alright, so now let's look at the tender. Wire is extended out really far. Here's your typical A4 tender. Looks really nice. Sprung buffers. I think this thing's been ran before. Anyways, well, at least I can see if I can put this on a track. Move that wire out of the way, just in case. Right. So right now I got my DCC controller hooked up. This thing is not DCC fitted, though it is DCC ready, so I doubt I'll ever fit a chip in this, but yeah, we'll see if this thing runs. Give me a second to hook everything up. I'll be right back. Okay, I got Dominion of Canada hooked up off camera because it's so difficult to connect engine and tender together while on camera, if that makes any sense. So yeah, from a standing point of view, this thing looks nice. It looks really nice. I don't know too much history about this engine, but I did hear the bell and the whistle is from one of the Canadian railroads. So apparently it was a gift from either CP or CN. I forget which one. I'm sure you guys will definitely tell me that the bell and the whistle is totally different. Well, the whistle's totally different. Instead of that A4 chime whistle, it's got that really cool American Canadian style whistle. Is that true? Does this engine have that? I've been trying to find footage of this thing with its original whistle, and try as I might, I can't find it. Though I have seen on Train Simulator that this one does have the American Canadian style whistle. So that is really cool. Does this thing have that whistle? I would so love to know. Unfortunately, the bell doesn't swivel like I just mentioned, but what's kind of weird, instead of those strings that you would usually see the engineer pulling the string to ring that bell, there's a little mechanical thing. It's inside the bell, well, not inside the bell, but it's some sort of spring mechanism where it pushes up and the bell swings. I thought that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's see if this thing runs. Power on. Alright, sweet, the move. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this thing go. Wow, I love this thing already. And the current draw, that's really good. I think this thing has been used. I might talk to the previous seller about that, but I do love this model, nonetheless. It's really good. It runs so smoothly. Nice. Alright, I got some Pullman coaches for the engine to hook up. I would hook up some teaks to it, but I really don't feel like getting those out. They're buried in a drawer of coaches, so these will do for now. Plus, this is a Commonwealth engine anyways. I think that's what you call it. No, not Commonwealth, a Coronation train. There we go. My apologies for making that mistake. So there's Dominion of Canada. I also have Commonwealth of Australia, Union of South Africa. Well, as part of preserved A4 scope. This is my second Great Goodbye edition. I have Union of South Africa too. And this is my second one, Dominion of Canada. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, let's take this off. It's a really good slow speed too. Let's watch it go around the layout. Well, pretty good shot. I like that. Alright, that was Dominion of Canada. This thing is a really good performer. I really do love this thing a lot, and I'm really happy I snatched it the second I got that notification. Let's talk about price and what I paid for this thing. The price I paid for Dominion of Canada, there's only a couple that I know of on eBay that are the Great Gathering and the Great Goodbye Edition, and this one's a Great Goodbye Edition. Those guys would go around four, maybe over $500, and that will also include shipping and maybe tax too. There's one that's like over 440, and I forgot the shipping number that's coming from the UK. There's a Great Goodbye edition that is even higher, around 550, I think. Again, that one's from overseas. This one I paid $259 for. Yes, it is still a lot of money, but it is very, very cheap. It's pretty inexpensive, really. And I think, in my opinion, that's pretty much a very, very good deal for this locomotive, considering how limited units it is. Since this thing has a limited of 510 units, which is a lot, but at the same time, it's not a lot. Not very many of these were made, and yeah, that's why I just had to snatch it right away. So I am very, very happy with it. I am a little bit disappointed that it's not brand new, but at least it runs, you know? At least it runs, it works really well. Yeah, that's the engine itself. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, take care everybody, and we will set this engine off. Really good slow speed.